This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 327 megabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 8, carbon monoxide detector, oven, TV, refrigerator, stovetop burner, air conditioning, smoke detector, slide-out, skylight, LP detector, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 327 megabytes is 9,178 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.